Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Windows 10 device to a Windows Server 2019 domain controller. So let's say you work as an IT service desk engineer or as an IT system administrator, and you've been asked to join a Windows 10 device to a Windows Server 2019 or 2012 domain controller. So what you need to do first of all is to go to right click on your start menu and click system. So when you click system, automatically you'll be taken to your system home settings. So here we have the options to rename this device, but we don't click the rename this device. What we need to do is go to the option rename this device advanced. And here you can see we have different options. You can see right now the PC, the device name is called, the computer name is called a C01. And this device belongs to a work group because we've not joined the device to a domain. So what you need to do, the most easiest and simplest way to join this device to a domain controller is to click change. And here you can see we have the option member of a domain. And here we need to enter the domain name. So mind you, you will need to make sure that you are able to ping that domain controller before you'll be able to join this device to that domain. If not, if you cannot ping the device, the device IP address or the device host name, you may not be able to join that domain controller. So click OK. So you'll be asked for your credentials, your admin credentials. So I'm going to enter the administrator name and then the password for the administrator login name. So definitely you may have a different login name which have access to that to the domain controller, and then click OK. So the password and the domain name is correct, so this device will be joined to the server. So you can see that it says welcome to the Privé ICT-less.ba domain. So click OK, and definitely you will need to restart your device for all changes to take effect. So click OK, and we just click close. And right now we can restart. You can as well restart later, or you can restart now for all the changes to take effect. So I'm going to pause this video and come back again when the device has been fully restarted. So after I've joined this device to a domain controller and I try to restart, and when I restart the device, you can see I have the option. I only have the option right now to log in to this device as a standalone, not to the domain environment. So what you need to do, you can see here we have my name, which is Kelvin, and we have the other user. So when I click other user, you can see now I have the option to actually log in to this domain environment. So, but mind you, to log into this domain environment, you will only need to log in with an account that has been created in your domain environment. So let me just enter a name like Calvin.Johnson. So this name have already been created in Active Directory in the domain controller. So enter the password associated with this name and click enter. You can see we already have the option welcome, which means that the name is correct and the password is correct. So the name of the password is not correct, you will definitely receive an error message. So when the device is fully restarted and we go to the system settings, here you can see that the full device name has now been changed. Instead of workplace, it has been changed to the domain name. So that is how easy it is to actually promote a device or add a Windows 10 device to a domain environment. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment as well. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. If you have any comments or you have any question, you can as well send me an email. I'm going to leave my email below this video, and also my Instagram channel as well, so you can as well add me to your Instagram to follow me, and I will follow you as well so we can relate with each other. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.